the Mobile Home Mama. I thought today we would do something a little different and maybe do a video on the exterior of the home. I do a lot of videos on the interior, but the exterior, especially of this home, is pretty special. Now, when you purchase a home from Champion Homes, we're going to find a floor plan that has the room placements where you want them and a lot of different features on the inside that are easily recognizable through the floor plan. Now, the exterior is a different story. The sky's the limit on the exterior, so the most customizable part of the house. On this luxury home, for example, we have double dormers, so we've got a smaller dormer over the master bedroom area. And as we come down here to the main living area, we did a larger dormer over 330 by 61 windows. Now, to amp it up a little bit, we've also added some shake siding surrounding those dormers. And check this out. While Brittany's this way, let's talk about this. Lineal trim as opposed to shutters gives it a nice modern look. Flint gray on the siding. This is a 4-inch Dutch lap siding. And you can add some shake siding also that is customizable by the colors. So I've got 3 different colors in this shake siding, really giving you the option to make the exterior of your home perfect for you. We also put in a nice Craftsman door. So va-va-boom, what a nice feature on this home. It just came offline. The customer is going to be extremely happy, and this home's headed to Wisconsin. So here's a little bit about the exteriors. We're always on the inside, so we do it real big on the outside too. Thanks everybody for watching.